Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 Qualcomm Atheros QCA9377 disconnects periodically. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Click Configure, click Advanced tab. Select Roaming Aggressiveness and change value to highest. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.